No need to come unhinged. We've got hinges. Today we're talking about hinges. And hinges for a 7-foot garage door come in a number 1, a number 2, and a number 3. All the number 1s will be in the middle of the door. But along the left side and the right side, you're going to have a number 1, a number 2, and a number 3. The number 1 is the first one between the bottom and the next panel. The number 2 is in the second position. And the number 3 is in the third position. Now the reason why there are different hinges for garage doors is because the track starts off a little bit tight to the wall at the bottom, and as it goes upward, it comes away from the wall. Now the hinges accommodate for that, and you can see this hinge here is a double barrel hinge. And what it does is it pushes the door flush against the jamb and secures out all daylight, secures all the gaps. So your number 1 has less push against the jamb. The number 2 has a little bit more. The number 3 has the most. I'm Travis with Parts for Garage Doors. I'd like to invite you guys to visit one of our store locations. I'm here at our new Channelview store. We sell all complete garage doors, garage door hardware, garage door tracks, garage door strut bracing. If you need springs, we'll help match the springs to your garage door, teach you how to install them. If you need opener parts, garage door openers, remotes, keypads, anything you need for your garage door, we've got it here at Parts for Garage Doors. We're located very conveniently on the I-10 feeder just east of Beltway 8. We have another location in Houston, and it's at I-10 and Beltway 8 on the west side. All of our technicians, all of our staff have worked out in the field for many, many years, and they'd like to share that installation information with you to keep you safe, to save you time, save you money. That's what we are here for at Parts for Garage Doors. Thank you for watching this video. Be sure to check out our other videos, and we'll see you when you get here.